So yesterday, of course, we sailed to Vis from Karstella via Split, picking up fuel. We're out for 3 days to do a bit of getting out and around, and we've never actually been to Vis in this heavily off-season.
We've never been to Vis in the off-season.
Haven't we at all?
No.
We've never been to Vis in the off-season. And there's cars on the road, and it's a road. So
We've been here in the shoulder season,
yeah,
but never the actual off-season.
yeah. So it's a bit different, and it's very cool. From what I remember someone telling me is that these steps and this stuff was either Game of Thrones or Mamma Mia. One of those similar movies. Mamma
I
Mia?
think it was Mamma Mia.
I think it was Mamma Mia. Something about the steps in Mamma Mia. Cool. So we're just stopping for some takeaway coffee. Very excited about that. But we're over here in Vis doing a bit of sail training, doing a couple of different things. But one thing we are also here is to meet someone for Mahina's channel, Cats Croatia. And there's been another Kiwi girl that's been working on neutering cats and looking after cats in the colony here in Vis, which is really important because it's a massive problem in Vis. It always has been. We've seen it in tourist season. Coming back and seeing it in the winter, you know, these people are doing a great job. So one thing I wanted to say is check out Mahina's new channel, Cats Croatia. Subscribe to that, grab the notifications, like the videos, spread the awareness. If you can share those videos, that's great. We're really looking to get a little bit of help fixing these cats, feeding the strays, help with the shelter in Karstella, all of that. So if you can jump over to Cats Croatia and visit her page, maybe you want to buy some of her swag she's got clothes for sale that you can buy, and that money goes towards looking after the cats in Croatia and feeding them, neutering them, all of that sort of stuff.